Hello everyone and welcome to week 2 of auditing. And today we're going to talk about the objective of conducting an audit of financial statements and an audit of internal controls. So the preface to the clarified AICPA auditing standards says that the purpose of an audit is to provide financial statement users with an opinion by the author on whether the financial statements are presented fairly in all material respects in accordance with the applicable financial accounting framework. An auditor's opinion enhances the degree of confidence that intended users can place in the financial statements. The primary focus is on issuing an opinion in the financial statements, and the steps to develop the audit objectives are listed in Figure 6.1. So first, understand objectives and responsibilities for the audit. 2, divide financial statements into cycles. 3, know management assertions about financial statements. 4, know general audit objectives for classes of transactions, accounts, and disclosures. And finally, know specific audit objectives for classes of transactions, accounts, and disclosures. So we began discussion of auditors' responsibilities by referring to the excerpt from Auditing Standards on page 145 of your textbook. While these standards do not state that the auditor is responsible for finding all instances of material errors and fraud, it requires the auditor to plan and perform the audit to obtain reasonable assurance that material errors and fraud will not be found. All right, that is just a brief discussion on Learning Objective 1 for this week. I will see you all in the discussion.